How I ended up leaving Trinidad. So my last job in Trinidad was as a mechanical engineer in Foster Wheeler in Port of Spain. I was a contractor, and because of the low oil price, projects stopped coming in, so they decided to lay off 80% of the staff. And yeah, I was one of them. My whole department got laid off. My sister had recently also moved to Ireland with her family from Chile, and I thought, okay, you know what, I have time and money, so I will go on a vacation for 1 month, and I would travel through Ireland and do a bit of the UK and as much as Europe as I could within the month. So yes, this is Ireland and it's not the UK. And I moved to Cork, which is like the city down to the south. It's the biggest county. So while I was there, I did like this impromptu thing, and I applied at Munster Technological University. And I was like, look, you know what? I always wanted to study abroad. This is my chance to do a master's degree. Let's see what happens. If I don't get accepted, I'll take that as my sign and I will go home. By the way, before I booked my flight to Ireland, I asked for a sign and I got it. And the price of the ticket at that same day dropped. And I was like, okay, I don't know, 2 signs from the universe. Okay, I guess I'm going to Ireland. So I was traveling around a bit, Ireland, UK. And the day before my flight, the university called and said, you got accepted, so you should cancel your flight, because I told them like I was leaving on the 31st of July. So yes, when I left Trinidad, I had no idea I would be leaving permanently. It was very impromptu and I think it was very adventurous. This is a picture of the university, by the way, nothing fancy. We used to joke that it looked like a prison. So I canceled my flight back home to Trinidad, started university. I ended up graduating with first class honors, and I got a job while I was studying, so they waited for me to graduate, and I was there working as a mechanical engineer. This continued for 3.5 years until 2020. So I never planned to move to Ireland. I never planned to leave Trinidad permanently. It was all like just things set up in motion. Everything happened within 1 month, and I ended up staying and getting a job, and that's how I stayed there. Yep, and 5 years later, I was still there. Yeah. I have to wrap up now, guys. Have a good day.